Isidro TV Dominicana. At 6, a rerun of an old Miss Universe pageant, followed by an even older Miss Universe pageant rerun. But first,
the Plinio Miguel Vargas Credit Repair Show. Hello, and welcome to my show. My first guest is a single mother who has aspirations to purchasing her first home. Ladies and gentlemen, Ms. Helen Arroyo. Well, Ms. Arroyo, what brings you to the show today?
Bueno, Senor Vargas, I want to fix my credit so I can buy a house.
Well, in order for you to buy your first home, we need a real estate agent. Ladies and gentlemen, Ms. Camille Burns Santiago.
How are you today?
Fine, muy bien.
Oh, have you secured your financing for the casa?
No.
No?
No? Well, let's bring out our mortgage broker, Mr. Joe Decenti Santiago de la Cruz.
Want to buy a casa?
Sí.
Oh, that's good, but we need to get rid of those collection accounts.
Well, let's bring out the collection agencies. Well, Ms. Arroyo, and that's how you get rid of those crybabies. Do you have any other concerns?
Sí, Mr. Vargas. I don't have no job.
You have no job? Well, let's bring out our recruiter, Ms. Janet Campen Negron.
Miss Arroyo,
Hola.
me and my company, we're gonna get you a whole new job. And you start next week.
Ay, qué bueno. Gracias.
Thank you for watching the Plinio Miguel Vargas Credit Repair Show. Special thanks to Helen Arroyo with BNI Abundance. Special thanks to Camille Burns with BNI Millionaires. Joe DeSanti, BNI Millionaires. Janet Campen, BNI Millionaires. Peter Vargas, my son. Jolene Lubin, lights, music, and also my girlfriend, Gazanati. It was her idea for the show. Thank you all.